Hi everyone, my name is Shraddha Chakrabarti and welcome back to episode whatever, I don't remember, of Pep Talks. This is a series where I try to share a little something about whatever I know, whatever I've learned, with the hope that you take something from it. Okay. Um so I was with my friends today, right? And we were walking in the campus and while walking and talking to them I realized that I have absolutely no interest in what other people are doing. I have absolutely no interest in what people around me are doing, what people around me are saying, what is going on in people's lives. I am genuinely not interested. And I am not God, okay? I also used to, have take interest in gossiping, and I used to be a gossip queen, and I used to talk about people's lives and everything, and it was like interesting. But now I just am not interested at all, and that is something that I have been noticing about me for a very long period of time now, and that's why I decided to make a video about it. Because I sat down and I thought to myself that why is it, how have I changed in this aspect, how is it that I have evolved in this aspect. And I realized that I have a purpose, I have a goal, I have better things to do in life. And this also made me realize that a lot of you have absolutely nothing to do. You're way too free. Way too free to be interested in what people are doing, to be interested in what people are saying, to be interested in what people are thinking, what they are doing in their lives, even if they don't even know that you exist. I realize that a lot of you still do that, okay? And that's why I thought of making a video, and I thought that the topic for today should be that you are way too free. You have no purpose. What do you mean by a purpose? A purpose, basically, in layman language, is having a goal, having something that you want to do in your life. And I'm not saying all of you, but a lot of you have no goal. You're just going where the time is taking you. You're going with the flow, as people say, chill hai. And the all those terms that our generation uses these days. But let me tell you, life is not like that. It's not hunky dory at all. We are at an age where if we don't make something out of ourselves this time, like the time that we have right now, we and our future, like we'll be ruined. We'll be ruined, we'll be gone. Because these are the growing ages. And people say that, whoever says that this is the time where you should have all the fun in your life and, not care about the world, these are your years, these are the years for you to have fun. Definitely have all the fun you want to have, but in a limit. Having fun without a purpose is like you're just digging your own grave for the future. Because okay, today your parents are there to support your, you know whatever your interest in, your the idea of fun for you guys. I'm not judging, everyone has a different idea of fun. But you're gonna pay for it in the future, because this is the time for you to slog your way out. You need to slog in order to get somewhere. And even I realized it very late, okay? There are a lot of things that if I understood on time I could have achieved. And I'm still very young. I'm still very young. I have a lot of time in the books. Yes, I have a lot of time, but in reality, I don't. I don't. Okay, but I know now that I have a purpose, and I don't have the time to be interested in what her boyfriend said, on what his girlfriend said, what he is doing in his life right now, what she is saying, what her opinions are, what his opinions are. I could not care less, because that's how stable I am in my life right now, regarding what I want to do, regarding the people I'm with, regarding my family, everything. I could not care less. I could not care less. You can tell me that I am selfish. You can tell me that I, am self centered and I'm egoistic, and I could still not care less. I will just look you dead in the eye and just, you will start questioning yourself as to why you're wasting your time with me, because I don't care. I just don't. And that's how you should be, because you should not have the time. You should not have the time. The main concern in your life should not be a guy or a girl at this time. Okay? Bonus hai, if you're with a good guy or a good girl, it's like a bonus. Okay? Genuinely good. But if it's not, don't make it your entire personality, don't make it your entire goal, because let me tell you how the world works in this generation. As a woman, even a guy will not want you if you're not financially independent. You will be like rammed. I'm telling you, I am telling you, you will not be respected. Okay, you will have to adhere to what the guy says. Even if you get married, you'll not have a say of your own. It is so important, especially for women these days, to be independent. Because do you know how many cases there are regarding domestic abuse, domestic violence, where women are forced to stay only because they have no other place to go, because they don't earn. And that's exactly why you need to earn. Because if this happens like one time, if a guy lays his hands on you, let alone, even if a guy disrespects you, let alone, raises his hand on you, you should have the ground, you should have the capability to just pack your bags and leave, because you have a backup, you're earning for your own self. And this is the time where you can work hard and do that. Even for the guys, even for the guys, लड़कों के लिए तो वैसे ही it's like a given कि you need to be financially stable, otherwise no girl will want to marry you, no girl would want to marry you. That is a given, that is a given. But for that, you need to have a purpose, you need to have a goal. And if, see, there are two types of people. Okay, ones who do not have a goal altogether. Okay, and the ones who do, but they're just not going to work for it. They will just not work for it. They want everything to be served to them in a platter, spoon feeding. Darling, it's not going to work that way. It's not going to work that way. You need to work as hard as possible, as you need to be determined, and you need to be disciplined enough in order to achieve the goal, or the aim, or the purpose, whatever it is. Because then having no purpose is better. Because if you have a purpose and you're still not doing anything about it, that is just waste. It's a waste. It's a literal waste of time, waste of energy, waste of talent, waste of caliber, everything. Don't do that. Okay, a lot of times I see people who have so much of potential, who have so much of capabilities, they're so intelligent, they're so good looking, they can make good use of the resources they have, but it's a waste because they don't have any goals. They have no goals. They're gonna do whatever just to pass time. मतलब जब जहाँ हवा ले जा रही है वहाँ चले जाएंगे. That's not how life works. That's not how life works. And I don't know what it'll take for you to understand that. You have to be, at least have the basic knowledge of things. Okay, matlab, I don't even know why I have to make a video on this, because this should just come after a certain point of time at least. Okay, nahi aata hai. A lot of you have so much of free time that you can utilize to do something productive, to be better at a skill, at a task, at a job, studies, competitive exams. I myself am preparing for one. But none of you even know कि क्या करना है after like bachelor's and masters. What you want to do? कब तक like कब तक चाहते हो कि your parents should like drag you? Don't you feel ashamed? Don't you feel ashamed that you're 20, 22, 25 years old and you still have absolutely no source of income? There are people who started earning from the age of 15, 16, and now they're doing great. That's called having a purpose. That's called having a sense of purpose in life. That's what we call having a goal and working actively to achieve the same. Like I said, having a goal and not doing anything about it, it's not gonna lead you anywhere. Don't make silly statements or do some silly actions just for the heck of it. Okay, having a purpose is not just in life. Okay, even if you're making a certain argument, if you're stating a certain point, it should have a purpose and you should have a proper backing for it. See, I don't want to talk about anything political here. This is not the page for it. I will never discuss my political views on social media like this, because first of all, half of you don't have the knowledge. Okay, I'm not saying I am very knowledgeable, but I know the crux of things. Okay, जब भी मैं किसी से कुछ डिस्कस करती हूँ, not just this, anything I discuss has a purpose. I have solid backing for what I'm gonna say, and that's what you should have for everything. Even your purpose in life can be questioned, and you should have a backing for that as well. You can have a goal and people are gonna question you. Okay, but what are you gonna do after this? And you should have an answer for it, and you should actively work for it. You need to utilize time. Time is more precious than money. If you utilize the time, you can easily make money like this, but you need to utilize time. We take time for a ride and then we don't have it, and then we realize that, oh my god, what did I do? I wish I utilized the time that I have. Time is precious. You are so blessed. Studying is a blessing. Getting to study is a blessing. There are so many people who are so intelligent, but only because they are so poor or they are financially so backward, they cannot afford to study. You are being blessed. It's like you're being blessed with knowledge, the capability to gain knowledge, and you're not utilizing it only because you're lazy, not because you're dumb. Why? Think about it. Okay, think about what you want to do, think about what you're good at, make a career out of it. You can do great. Our generation is way more intelligent than the previous generations, and that's a fact. So rather than wasting time on stupid things, what this guy is doing, what that guy is doing, this is happening, that is happening, don't do that. Put time to use, put your resources, put your energy to use. Okay, and do something productive. And if you don't know what to do in life, you can drop a text, you can talk to me. I can help you figure out what you like and what you don't, but depending on that, if whatever purpose you decide, whatever goal you decide, it's on you. Okay, that's all. That's it for today's video. It's a very simple topic. I just wanted you guys to remember it. It's not even something new that I'm teaching you. You have it in you. You all have it in you. I'm just trying to remind you, please do something about whatever you have and you do something about it. Okay, that's all for today's video. If you liked it, do like, share, comment and subscribe. My comment box is open, my DMs are open, my Instagram is written in my description. You can reach out to me with any request, any message, any problem, and I'll be there for you. I'll see you in the next one.